What's going on? I'm Mike and I'm from Kriss USA. Here we have our Defiance 22 products. We have our carbine, and then we also have our pistol. This particular pistol has an arm brace on there. We actually have a folding adapter that you can purchase separately, attach it on there, and you can actually fold the buffer tube and pistol brace over to the side if you want a more compact package. All the DMK22 ship with our Defiance folding sights. We have steel and polymer versions of these sights as well, but the guns will ship with the polymer ones. These fold extremely flat. Toolless adjustment. You have two different apertures and it'll still fold flat, even whichever aperture you're using. Now what's cool about these rifles, or the pistol and the rifle, is that they take standard, pretty popular AR-22 magazines, Black Dog mags, CMG mags. If you use ours, you'll get true last round bolt lock. So once your magazine's empty, that bolt will lock back. Okay, all you do is insert a new magazine, hit the bolt catch, and the bolt will ride forward. Controls wise, it's pretty much the same thing as an AR. You can swap out the trigger packs, you can swap out the charging handle, and you know, you can make it really customized to be just like the normal 5.56 rifle you shoot. And what's really cool about this, it takes Ruger 1022 spec barrels. So if you can, now of course there will be some gunsmithing required, but you can put in, and we've been testing Valcourtson barrels, we've thrown in other people's barrels as well, and it's all compatible. Now it'll come with the standard 1/2x28 threaded barrel, and it'll come with a muzzle brake, but you can of course switch it out to whichever barrels you want. Now all you have to do is just make sure you have a little bit of gunsmithing work to make sure everything feeds and functions correctly. The hand guard you can actually switch out as well. You just need to change out the barrel nut, and you can switch on your, I don't know, your BCM hand guards, your Daniel Defense hand guards, whichever you want. And the price points start at $629 for the pistol, and then they start at $699 for the rifle.